Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.